Switching users is great, but eventually you'll want to get back to where you started. The exit command does just that. If you've used privilege escalation, sudo u user exit ensures a proper return. A messy logout can cause permission issues, so always verify your user with who am I, because losing track of identities isn't just a problem in spy movies. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Privilege escalation sounds fancy, but really, it's just borrowing someone else's superpowers temporarily. With Ansible, using Become lets you act as another user with higher privileges. However, much like borrowing a friend's car, you must handle it responsibly, because no one likes a reckless driver in the world of system security. Imagine Become as a backstage pass. It lets you perform tasks with extra privileges. Whether you're using sudo or su, Ansible makes sure everything is handled neatly. Pair it with Become User to specify exactly who gets the VIP treatment. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Switching users might seem simple, but security is no joke. First, always be aware of the risks. Improper switching can expose vulnerabilities. Next, authentication is key. Don't just let anyone waltz in. Also, limiting privileges means fewer chances of things going south. And finally, logging activities ensures accountability. So let's not turn user switching into a cyber thriller. Become is your magic spell for privilege escalation, but misusing it can turn into a horror story. First, grasp why Become exists. It's there to help, not to haunt. Configuring inventory files properly ensures a seamless switch. Compatibility checks prevent unexpected crashes. And testing, well, it's the difference between a smooth rollout and a night of debugging nightmares. Making errors while switching users is like tripping on an invisible step. Painful but avoidable. Syntax mistakes. Triple check them. Missing permissions. It's like showing up to a party uninvited. Unintended privilege escalation can be a recipe for disaster. And if you don't validate processes, well, you might as well cross your fingers and hope for the best. Privilege escalation isn't a free-for-all, it's an art. Role-based access keeps things neat. Only the right people get the right access. Minimizing escalations means fewer doors left open for trouble. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra security layer, like locking your door and setting an alarm. In regular audits, they keep your system in tip-top shape. Troubleshooting Become errors is like solving a mystery. Start by identifying common issues. Check permissions because without the right access, nothing works. Compatibility is crucial. What works on one system might flop on another. And finally, debugging tools are your magnifying glass. Use them to uncover hidden problems. We've covered the ins and outs of user switching. Security should always be top priority. Never take it lightly. Proper configuration can save you from future headaches. Following best practices ensures a safe and efficient system. And troubleshooting skills, they'll make sure your operations run like a well-oiled machine. So go forth and switch users wisely. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.